In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Wealthfront. Step-by-step guide. Moving money in or out of Wealthfront is simple. Start by logging in on the app or website. From your main dashboard, select Transfer Money. If the app asks you to link a bank, follow the secure prompts, then come back to the Transfer Money screen. Now choose the direction. Pick Deposit to move funds into Wealthfront. Pick Withdraw to move funds from Wealthfront to your linked bank. Select the specific account you're working with, investment or cash, and enter your amount. Before you continue, pause to confirm you're using the right account and the correct direction, since those two choices drive everything that happens next. Mind the minimums. For Wealthfront investment accounts, each deposit must be at least $100, and each withdrawal must be at least $250. If you enter less than that, you'll be asked to increase the amount. For Wealthfront cash accounts, the bar is much lower. You can deposit and withdraw as little as $1, which makes quick top-ups or small transfers easy. Maximums depend on the transfer type and the account. For the latest limits, open the FAQ inside the app or on the website and search for transfer maximums. It's best to review those before large moves so your plan matches the current policy. Once you confirm, your transfer begins processing. Timelines can vary based on your bank and the method, so expect standard business day timing. Deposits to investment accounts will be invested after funds arrive and settle. For withdrawals, make sure you have enough available cash in the account. Unsettled or recently invested funds may need time before they can be moved. A couple of helpful habits. Double check the account name and amount before you hit confirm. Avoid scheduling transfers right before weekends or holidays if speed matters. And keep notifications on so you'll know when a transfer is submitted and completed. And that's the whole flow. Log in, choose transfer money, select deposit or withdraw, enter an amount that meets the minimum for your account type, and consult the FAQ for the maximums that apply to your situation. Follow those steps and you'll be able to move money to and from Wealthfront confidently and without surprises.